time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to day number 3 of Hot Cross Buns. Alright, we're going to start with measure 5. And measure 5 is pretty easy. We're going to start with playing both C's at the same time. But on your right hand, you're going to play C 4 times, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's measure 5. And now measure 6 is going to play D's 4 times, but only this one 4 times, like this. Play both D's first. And then the measure goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, good news about measure 7. It is just like the measures 1 and 2 that we've done. 7 and 8 are just like 1 and 2. So we're going to go back to C and E. And we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then here's Buns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was measure 8. All right, so here's measures 5, 6, 7, and 8, so you know what to try when you're practicing. We're going to go measure 5, C, 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 and then up to D, 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 and then back to Hot Cross Buns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then measure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. We did 4 measures today. You should be pretty proud of that. If you'd like to hear it from the very beginning, I'll play it for you right now. Otherwise, you can go ahead and turn it off and start practicing from your own on the beginning. Or on your own from the beginning. But here's how it's going to go. Ready? If you want to try to play with me, that's just fine. So from the beginning, 1, 2... Oh, I should be on E and C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2... 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here's the new part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give yourselves a round of applause and try practicing all of that from the beginning. Good job.